Hello guys, good afternoon. So this is me, Julie Margaux, and I'm here at the beach right now. So I was here for like almost an hour already because I'm going to look for the monkeys. So I need to capture the monkeys. I need to take some videos of the monkeys here. So, to those who have never been here or those who are planning to visit here, this is your chance because it's summertime. And guess what? So, on that side, there is a karaoke bar where you can sing. So, if you like to sing in a karaoke, you will just have to bring some coins because you need to insert 5 peso coin in order for you to sing or to select a song. And as long as it's sunny, you will get unlimited songs because their video okay or their karaoke bar is um, powered by solar. So since they don't have generator, uh, they use solar instead. And for me it's also good because people usually come here in the daylight or daytime, and there are just few people who come here at night or for overnight swimming. So, and as of now, so far I haven't seen any monkey yet but I'm hoping that I could see some because this is uh, why I am here in the first place, just to capture monkeys. So I hope they would show up. And I didn't bring food because I don't have a budget. Lol. And they usually show up or come down when there's food. So it's already 4, I think 4:30 or something. And there are only few people here. There are only few people left here. Just the owner of the resort next to this, because there are two owners of the resort. The the first one, which is this place, the owner of this place, or the name of this resort is Cinco, Baitan Cinco Beach Resort. Well, uh, that side over there, the, those, if you can see that cottage right there, yeah. So the owner of that resort is Madame LC Disulok. So, and they are the owner also of the karaoke bar. And if you want to eat some snacks and you don't have food, or you didn't bring snacks or food, don't worry because they also have a store here. But of course, the prices are not similar to the prices in the proper or doon sa barrio. So if you can afford, then why not, right? So I'll update you because I need to check if the monkeys are already here or not. So I'll be right back and I will give you some updates. Guys, you need to see this. I don't know if it's visible here. Look, rainbow. Oops. Oh my gosh, it's a rainbow. Can you see, guys? Whoa, it's cool. Sorry, but my phone is just a low quality um, phone, so its camera is not that great, so bear with me. But I hope you got to see the rainbow. I don't know if, hold on. That is what I'm talking about. Look at that. Ooh, that's so cool. And there are birds flying. They're free and enjoying the weather. See, it's not really that visible or clear, but I hope you could see. So why am I speaking English? Actually, guys, this is my first time that I will take a video, or I will make a vlog in English version, or speaking English. So it's my first time trying to speak in English, and as if you can notice, my English is not that good. I stutter, and I sometimes I run out of words. So let's just do this, because I'm uh planning to upload this on my YT channel, and some of my followers there, they're wondering why I speak English in the introduction, and then in a few minutes I will talk uh, unfamiliar dialect. So maybe it's time to give them a chance to understand what I am speaking, or what I am talking about on my vlogs or on my videos. But I won't get, bashed or judged, because my English is not that good, and I'm not a foreigner. I'm not an American. I'm a Filipino who is just um I'm just a nobody, and way back in elementary I couldn't remember receiving an award that's best in English. I don't know. I just couldn't remember at all. But bahala na. My battery is giving. Char. So my phone is dying. The battery is low. Because as soon as I get here, I tried taking videos, and my phone is only um, 20 plus percent, and now it's only 10%, which is, I'm afraid that if the monkeys won't show up, then I might go home. I might head home without videos of the monkeys. Update, guys. Until now, there is no monkey showing up still, and my phone is only 9%. So I might not get able to capture the monkeys. I need to end this, and I'll be right back. Hello, beautiful people. So I'm here at the beach right now, but I'm going home. I was waiting for the monkeys to come out, but unfortunately they didn't show up. So I'm like, I failed to capture the monkeys. Maybe next time. And the phone is only 8%, so I'm here now. I was uh, planning to wait a little later, or for a few more minutes, but Ate Marilo said that they're going to they have to close the gate already, so I need to go out unless I pay my entrance at the next beach resort, which is the next side of this beach. So I'm here in Baitan Beach Resort, where they don't require entrance fee, but I didn't know that they have time. What do you call this one? I didn't know that they have schedule here of in and out. So here now, I need to say goodbye to this beach. But if we don't have class tomorrow, then I'll go back here in the morning just to capture the monkeys. So I hope they would finally come out. So I brought this motorcycle, and I need to head back home because I need to charge my phone. And thank you guys for watching. Please follow, like, and share. And by the way, I'm doing the English only challenge, so I need to speak English only. So bye.